After what could have been a really scary incident, we have an update from Justin Hill after that crash right there in Daytona where he got landed on by Freddie Noren. And big shout out to Freddie Noren for stopping mid race to check on him still. What a good guy thing to do. Most people probably wouldn't even think about it, but Justin did say, I've got a couple broken ribs and some irregularities on a couple vertebrae that need more observation. Hoping to be back for Indy. Cheers, everyone. And that's good news. I mean, considering he got landed on by a bike, there's a couple 100 pounds with a rider on it. There's a couple, okay, maybe there's 150 pounds more. And to be landed on and only break a couple ribs, I mean, that's not obviously not the best thing in the world. Broken ribs are probably one of the worst things because every single time you breathe, it's just there. You're just in pain all the time. But considering what could have happened, talking about broken collarbones, broken necks, backs, just everything that can happen with something falling on you like that, this is really good news. And if he does make it back for Indy, which is, I think, this weekend, if I'm not mistaken, maybe. I don't know. Somebody tell me below if I'm wrong about that. If he does make it back for Indy, that's a super good turnaround. Probably maybe a little bit too fast in my opinion. You might want to give yourself the extra week or so to let yourself heal from that, especially the ribs, because once you start riding, you just, the uptick in heart rate, the uptick in breathing, it's just going to be constant pain. But I mean, that's kind of what these guys deal with every single week. I highly doubt many of them are fully healthy. Everyone has a lingering injury or lingering pain kind of here or there, but I don't know. You guys tell me. Do you think you're going to see him? Are you excited to see him? If you do, are you going to Indy? Whatever it is, have you enjoyed the season so far? Or are you kind of getting bored of Jet winning already? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.